Next topic of ours is linear and curvilinear boundaries. Now see what are linear boundaries and what are curvilinear boundaries. Now see, linear means straight, means let us say this figure I have drawn now. This is a linear figure. This is also a linear line. This is also a linear. This is also a linear. This is also a linear. Means any figure that is formed from a straight line, that is known as a linear boundaries. Now what are curvilinear boundaries? Now if I draw any curve like this way, this is a curve. This is not a straight line. So that means this is a curvilinear boundary. Get it? If a figure is drawn from linear, means a straight lines, that is known as a linear boundary. If the figure is drawn from a curve, that is known as curvilinear boundary. Now see, if I draw a figure like this way, this is a straight line, but this is a curve. So that means this straight line is known as a linear boundary. So that means this is a linear. And this is not a straight line. This is a curve. So that means that is curvilinear. Get it? In your book also some figures are drawn. I am also drawing with you. Now see, this figure is also drawn like this way. Get it? Now see, this is a curve. This whole portion is a curve. Not any, even a single straight line is there. So that means that is a curvilinear. You have to draw the diagrams on your notebook and write it like this way. Now see, these two lines are straight lines. Get it? So that means these two lines are known as a linear boundary. Now this portion, you can see it carefully. This is not a straight line. This is a curve. So that means this is also curvilinear. Get it? In your book, one more figure I want to discuss with you. This figure. Now see, these two, this line, this is also a curve, and downside, this is also a curve. Get it? So that means these two boundaries are curvilinear. But see, this is a straight line, na? So we're not able to forget it. This is also a straight line. So that means these two boundaries are known as linear boundaries. I hope you understood it. Now the next question is from your book. Second part, which of the figures having only one type of boundary? Get it? Means here in this figure also linear boundary is also present, curvilinear is also present. So that means this is not a one type of boundary. Means in the figure only either linear figure is there or curvilinear figure is there. For example, in this case, all boundaries are linear. So that means this is a figure which contain only one type of boundary, that is linear boundary. Get it? If I drawn here a full circle like this way, this is upper side also curve is there, downside also curve is there, no straight line is there. So that means this full figure is curvilinear. So that means this is also one type of boundary, that is known as curvilinear. In your book also, these two circles are drawn like this way. So that means here upper side circle, that is also a curve, and this circle is also known as curve. So that means this is a curvilinear boundary. Get it?